Thinking of upgrading your tech setup? Here are 5 reasons why Irvine should be your go-to partner. Number 1. Unmatched performance. Our SSDs and RAM are built to maximize speed and efficiency. Number 2. Reliability. No crashes, no slowdowns, just smooth operation day in and day out. Number 3. Value for money. We combine high-end features with affordability. Number 4. Scalable solutions. From small teams to enterprises, our tech grows with you. And number 5. Proven support. Our team is always ready to help, guide, and troubleshoot when you need us. Upgrade smart. Upgrade with confidence. Upgrade with Irvine.